how to sign into YouTube TV on Firestick. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into YouTube TV on Firestick. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to sign into YouTube TV on Firestick, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and go to the home screen. Step 2. Click on Find Search and type YouTube TV. Step 3. Select the app and click Download or Get to install it. Step 4. Go back to the home screen, find YouTube TV under Apps and Channels and open it. Step 5. Click Sign In and a code will appear on your screen. Step 6. On your phone, tablet or computer, go to tv.youtube.com/start. Step 7. Enter the code from your Fire Stick, click Next and sign in with your Google account. So that's how you can sign into YouTube TV on Fire Stick. That's all for this video.